Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make stuffed zucchini. It's a Middle Eastern cuisine. It has minced meat and rice in a rich tomato sauce. And I hope you'll find this recipe useful. Now let's get started. Ingredients to make stuffing. First wash the vegetable thoroughly and then cut the stem part. First start out with a circle with the tip of a spoon or scooper. That way it will be easy for you to dig the zucchini without breaking it. When you buy zucchini, get big ones so you can stuff more filling in it. Do not discard the flesh. We'll chop and use it in the curry. Here I have got 400 grams of minced beef, and this is half cup of rice. I have soaked it for 10 minutes. 1 tablespoon of curry powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon of salt. I'm using half onion finely chopped. Two tablespoons of finely chopped coriander leaves. 3 tablespoons of finely chopped mint leaves. Finely chopped ginger, 1 tablespoon. Combine all this really well. If you're making a big batch, just double the ingredients. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of oil and keep mixing it until well combined. Let's stuff zucchini with this ground beef and rice. Instead of zucchini, you could also use bell peppers and eggplants. You can also make and store it in the freezer. It will be handy when you are on the go. This is extra meat mixture. To this I'm adding 1 egg white. Mix everything well and make small balls and keep it aside. We'll use them later in the curry. Ingredients we need to prepare this curry. To make this dish, take a wide pot, add 2 tablespoons of oil, add 1 onion finely chopped and saute this for a minute or two. Add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste and fry this for 30 seconds. You can also use fresh crushed garlic. 1 tablespoon of crushed red chili. Add chili according to your preference. Saute this for 10 to 20 seconds. This is chopped zucchini flesh. Just saute it for a minute before adding the spices. I'm adding a tablespoon of curry powder. Let it cook for a minute. Spices are cooked well. Now in this stage, add 3 cups of tomato puree. Just grind tomato and add it. This is 4 big tomatoes. Add salt according to your taste and give a mix. You can add half a cup of chicken stock. If you don't have, just add 1 chicken cube and a cup of water. Now let's add the stuffed zucchini. Do not add the meatballs now. Once the vegetable is done 90%, then we'll add the meatballs. Cover and cook this for 25 to 30 minutes on a medium flame. It's almost 25 minutes now. Let's check it out. Zucchini is 90% done. Now let's add the meatballs. Cover and simmer it for 5 more minutes. Zucchini is cooked well, nice and soft. Now garnish with some coriander leaves. Now let's pack our lunch box. You can have it with some fresh yogurt. It has meat, rice and vegetables, and it's a complete meal in itself, and this is an easy way to make it. Do try this delicious recipe and share it with your family and friends. Share your feedback about this recipe in the comment section below, and I hope you like this recipe. If you do, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.